So here we have my wheel that's ceramic coated, and this one is not ceramic coated. So today we're going to do a very non-scientific test, and I'm going to spray both wheels. This has been sitting for about a week now, about 6-7 days since I ceramic coated it, and this one has nothing. It's just from the factory. I'll show you which one I applied, and I will show you how I applied it in a different video. But this is just to kind of do a quick video on what the hydrophobic nature of this one looks like. So let's give it a shot. Okay, first we'll do this one, right? So it just kind of mostly just sits there, right? So not too bad. Let's see what happens here. But here, it's all just kind of sticking to it. Very little dripping. I mean, it's not like a world of a difference. That versus that. This could probably use an improvement. I applied it for the first time and I learned a few things, so hopefully my next batch of the 2 sets of wheels that I'm going to do are going to be a little bit better. But there's definitely an improvement between the two. A couple of minutes later, you can see the difference. Still a decent amount of water sticking, again, probably due to my application job. This is what the other one looks like. Water everywhere. Water in some places. Water everywhere. Water in some places. I'm in the middle of doing the other 2 wheels, and as I mentioned, I learned a lot from the application on these first wheels. I think I just wasn't applying it properly, so the performance is good, but it's not amazing, but it's much better than without the application. So my next 2 I'm going to apply very carefully and very slowly. Let them cure for about a week as well, and then I'm going to do the same test and then hopefully put these on the car soon.